Hello everyone. Now in this particular video we are going to discuss binary tree traversal technique. Okay. Suppose we have given a binary tree, then in which order we need to traverse that particular tree. Traverse means what? How we are going to explore the particular node of that tree with the help of different techniques. That is what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So in the case of binary tree traversal technique, we have three things. First one is pre-order technique. Now what is this pre-order technique? So here I have a root node, then I have a left subtree, I have a right subtree, right? So this is what a binary search tree is. In the case of pre-order traversal, what we do, so basically it's a traversal, okay? First, I need to explore the root node. Then I have to explore the left subtree. Then I have to explore the right subtree. Okay. So in this way, I have to explore the binary search tree in the case of pre-order traversal. So this is what you have to remember. Very, very important. Okay. Second one, that is basically in order traversal. In order traversal. Now in this technique what we do, first we explore the left subtree, then I will explore the root node, and then I will explore the right subtree. Okay, so this is regarding the in order traversal. We have one more traversal technique, that is basically post order traversal. Okay, that is post order traversal. So if you observe here in the case of post order traversal, what we do, first we explore the left subtree, then we explore the right subtree, and then we explore the root node here. Okay, so this is how we can explore the binary search tree in the case of post order traversal. First left subtree, then right, then root. In the case of in order traversal, first left, then root, and then right subtree. In the case of pre-order traversal, first root node, then left subtree, then right subtree. Now if I want to apply this particular technique to this particular tree, for example, what I can say, in the case of pre-order traversal, what I said, first I need to explore the root node. So this is basically my root node. So first I will go to this particular root node, I will explore that. After going to this particular root node, I am going to explore the left subtree of this particular root. There can be a node like this also. In that case, L will become a root node for these two things, for these two nodes. So we will discuss that. But by just using this tree node, let's see how we are going to explore this particular thing. So if I say pre-order traversal, so first I am going to explore the root node, then I will go to a left subtree. Now here I will look for, do we have any other node to explore or not? Then I am going to, I don't have any other node, then I will explore the left subtree, and then I will go back and I will explore the right subtree of this particular root. So this is basically what? Right subtree, RT. Okay. So this is how we are going to explore the binary search tree by using different techniques. So we are going to discuss this all the three traversal technique one by one in a different videos, right? But why we are following these three particular technique? What is the purpose of these things? So here you can see in the case of in order traversal, so this technique is used for binary search tree because it retrieves the data in sorted order. It retrieves the data in sorted order. Okay. For this purpose, we use in order traversal. Now, what about pre-order traversal? It is used to create a copy of the tree or to represent a tree in a prefix notation. Okay, so if I want to represent a tree in a prefix notation, or if I want to create a copy of a tree, in that scenario, I can use the pre-order traversal. Now, what about post-order traversal? Here, is useful for deleting a tree or evaluating a expression tree. So if I want to delete a node from a tree, so I can use post order traversal technique. Okay. So please keep a note of this particular important points. Very important. So important thing is this particular thing. How in which order we are going to explore the nodes in the case of each of this traversal technique and this particular points. Okay. Now let's discuss pre-order traversal. Okay, pre-order traversal technique. So what I said in the case of pre-order, first we explore the root node, then we explore the left subtree, then we explore the right subtree. Right. Now let us consider a binary search tree. Here I have a root node A having two children B and C. Again I have a root. Again, I have a node B having two children D and E. And for this particular node, let's say I just have one node that is basically F. So this is basically my binary search tree. Now I want to apply a pre-order traversal technique and find out the sequence of a node in which I am going to visit. So how to do that? Okay. So first I will always start with the root node. Okay, I will always start with the root node. So which node I need to explore in the case of pre-order traversal? First, root node. So I am going to explore the root node. So I have done that. I have written that particular node here. So I already visited a node A. After visiting this node, I have to go to a left subtree. Then I will go to left side. Now what about this particular thing? So here I have a node B. Again, we need to apply this particular scenario. So for this particular node, B is basically a root node for D and E because on the left side and right side of this particular node B, we have a subtree, left subtree and right subtree. But by using pre-order traversal, we need to explore the root node first. So that's why after B, I am going to explore, after A, I am going to explore B here. Okay. Now I need to go in left side. So I will go here in this direction. Now if you observe here, I have a node. This is basically a leaf node. I don't have any childrens here. So it means it is basically a root node also I can say. Or even if it is not a root node, then I can also consider a left node for this particular root node B. In both the cases, I need to explore the node D. So after B, I am going to explore the node D. Okay. Now, if you look at this particular root node B, I have explored the root node. I have noted down here. I have explored the left subtree, that is D. I have noted down. Then after that, after root, after left, I have to go for right subtree because for this leaf node, I don't have any subtree. So I will not going to explore. For this particular root node, I have E. So I am going to explore E now because because E is also a leaf node. I don't have any other node to explore. So I am going to write E here. That is basically E. Now I will go back. I already visited B. Now if you observe for the root node A, I already explored the left subtree. Okay, left subtree. Now I have explored root. I have explored the left subtree. Now we need to explore the right subtree for this particular node A. So I will go on the right side now. If you observe for C, again I need to apply this particular thing, root left right. Again for a node C, C is basically a root for F. So and the left subtree is empty. So after A, so after E, I am going to explore C. I have visited the node C, and after that I am going to explore the left subtree, but I don't have any left subtree here. Then after that I am going to explore the right subtree. So that is basically F. So that is basically F. Okay. So this is how I can explore the binary search tree by using a pre-order traversal technique. Okay. I hope you understand this particular example what I have discussed in the case of pre-order traversal. So very important thing. In the previous GATE exam, there was a question based on this. But the simple one, always remember this particular scenario. Okay. So there is one homework question for you based on this particular pre-order technique. Homework question, you have to comment your answer below. I have a node A. So having two children A, B, C like this. Then I have D. Then I have E. Similarly, I have F here, and this is basically a G. and H. Okay. So for this particular tree, you have to tell me the pre-order traversal, pre-order traversal sequence. Okay. This is your homework question. So please comment your answer below. Similar what we have discussed, just few extra notes are there. So just try out this particular question and comment your answer. I hope you understand how we are going to explore the notes in the case of pre-order traversal technique. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to discuss in order traversal technique by using the same example. So that's it from this particular video. Thank you.